Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Alia Batul and we will study maths of class 7. Our topic is circumference, area and volume. This is my second lecture and we are going to discuss exercise 12.1 which is on page number 159. So we are going to revise the important formulas which we have done in first lecture. D is equals to 2R. Okay, by dividing by 2, we get R is equals to D by 2. Circumference is equals to diameter multiplied by pi. And by putting the value of D from here, I got C is equals to 2 pi R. The value of pi is 22 by 7. And by dividing 22 by 7, I got the approximate value of pi which is equals to 3.14. Now I am doing question number 1 of unit number 12, exercise number 12.1, which is on page number 159. The question number 1 has 6 parts. So I am doing second part for you. That is, find the unknown quantity when pi is equals to 22 by 7. Here C and R is missing. You have to find out. These are unknowns and the value of D which is given to you, it is 9.8 centimeter. Okay, we are going to start the solution now. We are using the formula 2R is equals to D. So, by putting the value of D is equals to 9.8 centimeter here, we get 2R is equals to D. Instead of D, I am putting 9.8. Okay, I want to isolate this value R because I need R, the value of R which is unknown here. So, I am dividing 2 on both sides. So, I got 2R over 2 is equals to 9.8 over 2. And by dividing 9.8 by 2, I got 4.9 centimeter, which is the required value of R. Now for circumference, I am using the formula C is equals to D pi. Okay students, let me explain that how we have to select the formula which we have to use here. Look, here I have used 2R is equals to D and here I have used C is equals to D pi. Why? Remember, we always have to use that value which is given to you. Like here D is equals to 9.8 centimeter is given to you. Here you are not supposed to put the formula C is equals to 2 pi R because C is missing, R is missing. Then how you have to put the values? So remember, always use that formula by which you have given the values. And one variable is unknown. So here R is unknown. So by putting the value of this, you are getting the value of R here. Now I have the value of R. And here C is equals to D pi. I have the value of D. So I can use this formula because one is unknown and one is known. Okay. By putting the value of D and pi here, we get 9.8 which is the value of D, 9.8 here. And the value of pi 22 by 7 which is given to you. Okay, one more important thing. If the value of pi is given like here, 22 by 7 is given to you, then you have to put this value, this specific value 22 by 7. Avoid the value 3.14 to put here because pi is equals to 22 by 7 is given to you now. So, what we have done here, I am removing this decimal by putting the 10 in the denominator. So by multiplying, by cancelling by 2, I got 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So this becomes 11. 98 multiplied by 11 becomes 1078. I have done this sum for you. And I think you people are so intelligent, you people can do this. By dividing, you will get 30.8 centimeter. So R is equals to 4.9 centimeter and C is equals to 3.8 centimeter. Okay, now question number 4 of exercise 12.1. Here, the circumference of a circle is given to you, which is equal to 1.54 centimeter. you have to find the diameter and radius of the circle when pi is equals to 22 by 7 is given to you. Okay, first of all we have to write, this is the format like which you can do it on your notebooks also. C is given, you have to find D, you have to find R, diameter and radius. Okay, remember that point that we have to use the formula in which the given material is present. So this quantity is present, C is equals to D pi. I am choosing this formula. So by putting the value of C and pi, we get, this is C 1.54 equals to D and the value of pi 22 by 7. Okay, I want to find out the value of D. So I want to isolate here. Okay, one more point, that don't bother that unknown quantity is on the left hand side or on right hand side. So solve it here. Okay, I am multiplying 7 by 22. Here 22 by 7. So I am multiplying 7 by 22. So that on the right hand side D will be isolate. 7 will cancel out with the 7 and 22 by 22. Here 1, 5, 4 and 22. I divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 77s are. Again 11 ones are 11 and 11 sevens are 77. So I got 7 multiplied by 7, 49, and 49 over 100 becomes 0.49 centimeter, which is the value of D. So you can write it now, D is equals to 0.49. Okay, the next slide is, now the next formula, 2R is equals to D. By putting the value of D, I got the value of D, that is 0.49. Okay, I put the value here. Now I want to isolate R, so I have to bring this 2 on the other side. By dividing 2 on both sides, we get 2 multiplied by R multiplied by 1 by 2. You can write divide by 2 and then you can multiply it in 1 by 2 and taking the reciprocal. We know all this procedure. So by dividing 0.49 by 2, we get 0.245 centimeters. So these are our required quantities, the value of radius and the value of diameter. Okay. This is your exercise 12.1. I have done this second part for you and the remaining parts. In the remaining parts, look, we have diameter and radius is given. We have diameter here present and radius is, you have to find out the radius. Okay, whenever you have this type of questions, you can put the formula D is equals to 2R and after that you can find out the circumference. Okay, I have done this question number 4 for you. Okay, so here circumference is given and you have to find out the diameter and radius. So here in this part circumference is given and in this part circumference is given and in question number 5 circumference is given. So you can do these all questions by using the same procedure. Thank you so much, students.